Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I have come out with a new cough syrup review. That is this Thorax Junior Cough Reliever Syrup. So guys, this medicine is mainly used by children, which is said to be a very good medicine. So in this video, we are going to know what are its benefits, what are its uses, and where you can use this. So to get to know all that, all the full details, then please do watch the video till the end without skipping. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is Thorax Junior Syrup. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a green and white color packet. It has got 60 ml quantity bottle and its MRP is 69 rupees. This is manufactured by Tork Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, which is a famous company. Sometimes you might also happen to see its ads on the TV if you have noticed it. So guys, now let's get to talk about what are its composition or what are the ingredients added here. So it has dextromethorphan hydrobromide. Its IP is 10 mg. Then it has chlorpheniramine maleate. It has 2 mg and phenylphran hydrochloride has 5 mg. So these are the three compositions present here and forms a syrup for cough altogether. Now let me show you the inner packaging also, how it looks like inside. So this is a very nice packaging. As you can see here, it's a plastic bottle packaging. The color of the liquid syrup is pinkish in color. So yeah, that's all about the looks and the packaging. Now we are going to talk about where we can use this syrup and what are its benefits. So friends, this syrup is specially made for children. This syrup is basically used when your child has dry cough or wet cough both. It helps them to relieve allergic symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and irritation in the throat. Otherwise, this can also be used for treatment to relieve from congestion or stuffiness in the nose. So it is a good medicine. Doctors also recommend this medicine to their patients. This syrup is specially recommended for children of age starting from 2 years to up to 10 years of age. And the dosage of this syrup will depend according to the age of your children. Like for 3 to 4 years of babies, you can give them 2.5 ml dose, and for 5 years to 6 years of kids, you can give 5 ml dose, and then for 6 years to 10 years children, you can give them 10 ml dose. Also, please remember to take the prescription of your physician before giving this to your children, because this is an allopathic medicine. Because it is very important to take the advice whenever you are going to take any allopathic medicine. So yeah, this is a cough relieving medicine. There are many people who have already used it and found the amazing benefits from it. So if you haven't yet given this to your kids, you can also easily give them whenever they face any symptoms mentioned above, because it is a very effective cough medicine. So friends, that's it all about my review of Thorax Junior Syrup. I hope you liked the video. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe, because I come up with so many review videos in my channel. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in my next video. Bye.